Hi YouTubers. I'm going to set myself a bit of a challenge, and the challenge will be to talk to someone abroad, probably only France, Germany, that sort of thing, on an indoor antenna. Whether I'm going to be able to do it, I don't know, but you know, wish me luck. I've got a few bits and pieces to play about with. One is this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It's basically a matcher or ATU, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to try avoiding using that, if I'm honest. I've got a few bits of wire and a head full of ideas, so I'll keep you updated. Early sort of, what's the word, tests show that I'm going to get a lot of noise, because you know what it's like nowadays. You get your aerial in the house, A, you like to cause interference, B, you get it from people's tellies, you know, switch mode power supplies, that sort of thing. The other bit, this is another part of the video, if you like. I can't remember who it was, but I had a message or a comment on one of my old videos about getting your YouTube videos found. Well, if that person can sort of take on board what I've already said, it's slightly out of date now, but it's the same thing. Basically, you have to build up your subscribers, you know, make videos that people go on and subscribe to so they see more. Once you've got like a subscriber base and you're enough all your videos that you put on, people have got a chance of watching them, you know. As well as, if you get your wording right on your title, the first line of your description and your tags, separating your words and your tags with commas, right? It's not sort of rocket science. Do a search for your video, see how well it's found, you know. I tend to focus mine on UK or England or whatever. If you go on to YouTube, type in CB Radio, my video's right at the top. That's my little claim to fame, if you like. If you go on to Google and type in CB Radio London, first one at the top, that's my video as well. So it does work, this. It just takes a bit of time. If you sort of release a video, do a search for it, it's not found straight away. From what I've sort of learned, I think view time helps to get your video up there as well. Like, I can't swear to it, I'm not a YouTube guru, if you know what I mean. I do alright on the quiet. The other thing as well, if you make your video sound appealing, for example, so like your channel's about CB, PMR, amateur radio or whatever. If it was about PMR, if you titled your video 1,000 mile contact on PMR 446 and one of your subscribers saw it, think, wow, I want to see that. But then you could go on, they could click on it and it might not be what they thought, so you have to watch out for dislikes or comments, sort of, you know, might have a go at you sort of thing, you know. As long as you can live with that, you're going to get the views, depending on what you're up to. So watch your space, guys. I'm thinking of some sort of dipole indoors, bit of wire chucked out the window, whatever. Possibly a magnetic loop, but you know, it's quite involved. You know, you've got to get the right capacitor and all of that sort of malarkey. Obviously the loft really is the place to go if you're going indoors, but we all used to get by years ago, didn't we? I had a 5-foot fire stick on a DV ground plane in my bedroom, 3 or 4 watts out of an old AM straight 40 Bristol, and I had mega fun on it. You know, I won't say I worked any DX on it, because I didn't, but you know, they were the days, as in some of the comments on one of the other videos I just did. And as always, I'll say, you know, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. The rig I've got hooked up at the minute is the Grant 2. I'm sure there's going to be some signals coming in stronger than the QRM that I'm getting, and if there is, if I don't get that antenna sort of about resonant, I'll be giving it large and videoing it as well. It might take weeks, might take days, but if I do it, I'm going to get it on video and I'm going to show you guys, because I'll be chuffing bits about that. If you're new and just found this video, again, thanks for watching. You know, hit subscribe. There's loads more CB radio videos out there. So till then, catch you later, fellas.